Guys, Rohan here, and I'm bringing you a very special video today regarding Nexus offers. Okay, so Nexus offers is a great CPA network for make money online offers. All right, I work very closely with them. I've only started using them like maybe a couple of months ago, like this year, pretty much. Okay, and similar to Nexus offers, there's something called Cash Network as well. So both these CPA networks have very similar make money online offers. Okay, and they convert really well with solo ads. Okay, so I wanted to make this video especially for the guys who are doing my course, my free list building course. I want to show this technique in so that it can be an option in addition to other affiliate networks like Warrior Plus, Clickbank and stuff, right? So Nexus offers and Cash Network now you can only get in with a referral link. Okay, so I'll leave my referral links to both Nexus offers and Cash Network in the description below. All right, and you come onto the website, sign up to become an affiliate, and just fill up their forms and stuff. And it's the same for Cash Network, and the processing time will be like a few days. Okay, so basically what am I talking about is that when you run solo ads, right, or if you're running promoting offers in your email, when you're building your email list, you're promoting offers, right? So this is the kind of a landing page that you'll have where you'll run solo ads too. Okay, I'm not going to go into the details of Clickfunnels and how to set that up because my course teaches that. I'll leave a link to my course if you in the description if you would like to access it. It's free. Okay, and basically the subscriber will put their email over here, and when they click submit the page, over here is where you can put your referral link, right? This will be for the offer that you want to promote from Nexus offers or Cash Network. Okay, and basically the whole point of this video is I want to show you that you need to consider Nexus offers and Cash Network as strong options. Okay, because these offers convert really well with solo ads, and they are high ticket items. Like you can see over here, I've been working with both these networks this year. Okay, so what I've made is all this year. So I've made almost $1,500 in Nexus offers and Cash Network 1,000. Okay, I'm just waiting to get paid from Cash Network actually, and then I'll start working with them again so that you can see over here my one payment is pending. Okay, in the meantime, I'm working with Cash Network because they are processing my payments faster. Okay, so that's it. But you can see over here the offers that are converting for me is like $70 payout, $85 payout, all $80 payouts, and in Cash Network also the same, $71, 44, 40. So basically by using these networks, you even if you get like one or two conversions upfront for every 100 or 200 solo ad clicks, you can get almost your money back. You can almost break even. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is over here that in your solo ad run, use high ticket offers upfront so that one or two conversions can help pay for your entire solo ad run so that you can make the money back. That way you're just building your list almost for free, right? And then on the back end in your email, if you get one or two conversions, boom, you're in profit. So that's why consider Nexus offers. Okay, I'll quickly show you how to grab the links, right? So suppose you want to run this offer right here, or what you will do before running the offer is, okay, basically this is running a little slow right now. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll come down here. Okay, so daily this thing is updated dynamically, right? You can see the EPCs, so you can see which offer is doing really well right now. So we can see here that your dream websites and quick home websites is doing really well right now. So what you can do is just click the offer here. Okay, go to offers. Okay, I don't know why this is being a little slow, but okay, there we were. Offers. Okay, so look for your dream websites. Man, where is it? Can you guys find it? I cannot seem to find it. Okay, let's go from the dashboard. Click here. Okay, so then you hit creatives, and this is basically your link. So you will copy this. Okay, go to your, if you're using Clickfunnels and if you have a landing page in Clickfunnels, how you enter the link in your landing page is right here. Under general, on submit, go to this link, pretty much. And that's it. And then you save the page and give the link to this page to your solo ad vendor, and he'll send clicks to it. That's it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so this is pretty much what I wanted to cover in the video. Do sign up for Nexus offers and Cash Network. I mean, it's free to sign up, right? So might as well sign up. And I'll keep releasing videos. I'll leave the link to my Facebook group where I interact with my followers, students, subscribers, whatever you want to call it. I keep doing live videos, I keep posting results, and I'll keep sharing strategies as well. So if you have access to the networks, right, you can just copy in links to your landing pages and throw solo ad clicks to them. Or you can set up your own PPC campaigns in Bing or Google or whatever. Because using these high ticket offers, you can make more money upfront, right? It makes a huge difference. And solo ads do well with these kind of offers. Whenever I send solo ads directly to like Warrior Plus offers and stuff like that, it doesn't really convert all that best. Warrior Plus, in my opinion, is good for backend conversions in email. Okay. So anyway, to summarize, this video is about offers in Nexus offers and Cash Network. Okay, they're both similar. It's all for make money online offers. Do sign up, and you can only sign up through referral links, which are there in the description below. Okay, and I'll also leave my contact details and my the link to my Facebook group where you can interact with me one to one if you'd like. All right. So cheers, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you.